right? So next one we need to learn about that is called as hyperlinks as well as images. These two things we'll try to learn about it. Very simple to write a hyperlink. For example, we have our website which is known as, let us say, rritec.com. Then we're able to see the list of videos, we are able to see it. The list of videos, we are able to see it. For example, this URL, whatever available, I am taking. Then I want to provide as a hyperlink, I want to provide here. Then how I can do it? So this is where we are doing it. We are trying to learn about hyperlink. Let me provide here heading as hyperlink. So what we are learning? Hyperlink. The hyperlink is what concept it is? Fourth concept we are learning this one. So how to provide it. In case of HTML, you might be doing the hard work. H reference is the tag we have to use it. But here it's very simple, very simple. If you know putting the brackets, that's it. We know the hyperlink how to provide it. For example, I am providing a 2 square brackets. Then like this I am providing it. Then I am trying to enter. Sorry, I am trying to enter here. Let us say this is Markdown. Markdown. Now in this HH, I am providing here the URL I am providing. Here I am providing, let us say, listen videos, I am providing it. Now did you notice or not what I am getting here? Listen videos. What is syntax I followed? What is syntax I followed? 2 square brackets. Between 2 square brackets, whatever text you want, you can write it. That only visible to you. 2 round brackets. In that one, we have to provide our actual hyperlink. Sorry. Now, if you go and try to click on this one, listen videos, then you can notice that is routing to the website. It is routing. That's how you can generate your hyperlinks. Very easy. Now, I want to generate here images. What you can do it? Let us say fifth one is images. You tell me what we learned here. Syntax, same syntax. You tell me. We have to provide here 2 square brackets, 2 round brackets. Apart from that one, we are going to get here extra exclamatory mark. We are going to get it. Now you put here whatever you want to display. Suppose you want to display Python logo, and I want to provide here, let's say, the Python logo URL I want it. Go to the Google and search it and provide it. Okay, or else I have here already in my website. Okay, I have the logo right on this one. Oh, it's not allowing. Let me search in the Google only. Python logo I am trying to type here. Then we'll able to see the images. In the images, let's say first image I am seeing it, there is an option called as copy link address. That copy link address I am taking, then I am trying to provide here. Then execute it. Then we can notice, oh, what happened? Copy link address. Copy link address. Copy image address I am taking. Not the link address, I am sorry. Copy image address. So copy image address I am taking. Then I am trying to execute here. You can notice Python is not recognized internal or external command. Oh, sorry. Here I didn't change it as a, what is this? Code to Markdown. I forgot to change it. Let me execute it. Now what you are seeing? Python image, we are seeing it. Other user may not be aware of it, how we displayed this one, right? But we used only simple syntax, we used it. I think in our regular course, whatever I'm going to explain to you down the line, we need mainly these formatting stuff we required. What is the first formatting stuff? Headings. Second is what? Emphasis. Third is what? List. Fourth is what? Hyperlinks how to provide. Fifth is images. Still we have so many things in the markdown, but at this point of time we are not interested on those things. Down the line, when our time demands, we'll go and we'll try to learn those things. To move on, I need these 5 things. At least my documents you have to understand, because I'm delivering all my documentations in the Jupyter notebook format. You should not think about, okay, how we got this heading, these all things. That's the reason I'm explaining these 5 things here. Please concentrate on these 5 things. Still we have more 5 things are available. If you see my general document, here I concentrated more 5 things also. I concentrated. Images is available below this one, code and syntax, tables, barcodes, video embedding, latex, like that. I will talk about this one later. At this point of time, these 5 are enough. Okay, try to walk through it.